In Allah's name, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Want to look 15 to 20 years younger and improve your skin? To show no signs of aging and you're very young and youthful, see, just like Korean and Japanese people have very tight skin. But often as we age, our skin starts developing many fine lines and wrinkles, which makes us very worried, and we use various creams and so on to make our skin very tight. But some people can't afford such creams, and they fear that their skin might have too many side effects. So today, I've brought a really great kind of home remedy for you, which when used, your skin will become very tight and start to glow. So let's start making the video. First, you need to take egg whites, that is, you need to take egg whites. And to the egg whites, you will add 2 or 3 other things, and you will see amazing results. First, it is essential to thoroughly beat the egg whites, mixing them extensively until all bubbles are completely eliminated and no foam remains. Every day after that, you need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to it. If you have fresh aloe vera gel at home, you can use that as well. If you don't have it, you can use store-bought aloe vera gel instead. Next, add 1 teaspoon of glycerin to it. And you need to mix it very thoroughly. Your mixing should be of a very good kind. And after that, you need to take half a lemon, and add approximately 6 to 7 drops into it. And after that, you need to add half a teaspoon of honey to it. Anika. Honey provides excellent moisturizing to our skin. And when we apply the white mask to our face, right? So believe that your skin will start to lift. If you skip using it one day and use it the next day, then you will receive very impressive types of results. So if you make this remedy a part of your skincare routine, you will be amazed when you see the results. You need to apply it to your entire face using any brush. Once you apply it to your face, you won't need to do anything else. Exactly, you need to tilt your face upwards and lie down, and sit in a well-ventilated area so that air can circulate and the mask applied to your skin should begin drying. Do not let it fully dry. Once half dried, wash your face. If you liked the video, please like, share and pray for us.